Here are some simple, small tips for healthy meal planning and prepping that are easy to incorporate into your routine. 1. Start with one meal. If you're new to meal prepping, start by planning and prepping just one meal per day, like lunches for the week. This makes the task less overwhelming. 2. Use pre-cut vegetables. Save time by buying pre-cut or frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious and can be easily added to meals like stir-fries or salads. 3. Cook once, eat twice. When cooking dinner, make extra so you can have leftovers for lunch the next day. It's an easy way to reduce prep time. For planned simple meals, keep meals simple with 5 ingredients or less: a protein, a grain, and some veggies. With a simple seasoning or dressing can still be nutritious and satisfying. 5. Keep healthy snacks ready. Prep small snack packs with fruits, nuts, or veggies, so you have healthy options on hand when hunger strikes. 6. Use one pan or one pot recipes. Cook meals that only require one pan or pot, like sheet pan dinners or one pot soups. This makes both cooking and cleanup quicker and easier. 7. Make a shopping list. Before heading to the store, make a quick list based on a few meals you want to prep. It helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you get what you need. 8. Use leftover ingredients. Incorporate leftover ingredients into new meals. For example, use leftover roasted chicken for a salad or wrap the next day. 9. Store in clear containers. Use clear containers so you can easily see what you have prepped, helping you avoid food waste and stick to your meal plan. 10. Stay hydrated. Fill a water bottle or prepare infused water, for example, lemon or cucumber, in advance to encourage hydration throughout the day. These small, manageable tips will help ease you into meal planning and prepping without feeling like it's a big commitment.